Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday morning here in Oklahoma City, and I just finished up doing some shipping here. All these packages here will leave today. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of them. 2 more wine boxes out in the shop that I need to assemble the hardware and box up, so let's get to that. All right, back here at the shop. I'm about to finish up those wine boxes here. There's 2 of them. One I already got finished up. Let's take a look here. This one here is ready to go. It comes with 2 padlocks. People can lock it up like this. And this one here will have 2 hinges on the back, obviously, and 1 swing latch on the front.